last couple questions here is farming plays a lot, into everything. I mean, once you're a farmer, it's something that's nonstop. Another question I have is, as far as how has farming impacted your life as far as fathership has played into everything, family. What does that area look like for Joel?
Yeah, well, I wrote a book, Family Friendly Farming. I articulate the fundamentals, I think, and goodness for me, being able to take the kids with me, whenever I went out and did things, and to be able to work for myself and take a day off if I wanted to, and work an extra 8 hours if I wanted to. There's sprint, there's sprint times and rest times. But yeah, to be able to work together as a family and have the kids with me out there has been, wonderful. Of course, now Daniel runs day-to-day operations. I say he runs the farm so I can run around.
That's something that I wanted to talk to you about was what does your schedule look like now? I mean, there's a time that, I know that early on you're spending a lot of time, in the business, scaling the farm, on the farm, working with the animals. But, once your farm starts to grow, once you have, hundreds, thousands of animals, what does it look like for you as far as, even Moses had to divide and create a form of structure. What does it look like for
Yeah,
you
yeah.
on the day to day
Oh,
of creating that system?
right. Absolutely. So, we have a team. There's about, whatever, 20 of us, 20 couple of us. And so my official title now is Chief Visionary. That's a fun title. And so I do most of the negotiations, initial contacts with, some significant clients.
If you guys like this video and wish to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or consider following us on Instagram at Flores Valley Farms. Thank you for watching.